What's up guys, and welcome back. So in this video I'm making a hammered ring using this strip of silver sheet. We start by bending the sheet around a mandrel to give its ring shape. The metal is pretty soft and easy to shape. I use a wooden hammer to help make the two ends meet. After getting both ends to meet flush, I can then solder it together. We'll start by adding some flux and then add the solder. Once soldered and cleaned, I use a mandrel to give it its circular shape. And then file and sand the surfaces of the ring. Once the ring has been sanded smooth, I take a ball peen hammer and start giving the ring its hammered effect. With the hammering done, I need to tidy up the inside of the ring. And then polish the surface. And there you have it, the process of making a hammered ring. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.